Okay guys, so I posted this throwback on my WhatsApp status, also on my Facebook story, and people were asking me for the breakdown, although the video itself was a breakdown I did at a church. So but people needed the details and the application to whatever I played there, so I felt like breaking it down for you here. Alright, so let me just play it first so that you hear how it sounds.
So the stuff is once again slowly.
That's the
And the next one is once again 7, 3, and 6. I came forward the same 6 as C sharp minor 11.
Yeah, so that was the second movement, okay, a 7-3-6 movement. But the first one was okay, and the way I played it in the video, I kind of didn't like it, probably because of it was a light keys keyboard, and I was much more comfortable with the heavy weighted keys. So probably that's why my touch didn't come out that well. Because for this third chord, like the first chord, this is the second one. So for this third chord that I played, I didn't spell out the melody very well. Now you might say it doesn't matter. Little details like this matters a lot, because my voicing was actually going from this 1, 2, 3, do, re, mi, you understand? So, you have to pay attention to that details of whatever you want to execute there. So, and that's why you have to be growing by, criticizing your stuffs and also allowing people to give you feedbacks, honest feedbacks, not just praises. Alright? So that's good. So let's go again. Alright, so what's the breakdown to this? Let me put on the blackboard. I might not be calling out everything because I'm already writing it on the blackboard. So just pay attention to what I'm writing on the screen. Okay, then this is where we need to break down well for you. So I'm slurring from the B to the C sharp. As I'm doing that, I'm simultaneously playing my left hand, which is the 4 there. That's A, E, A. Okay, and that goes together with the C sharp on my right hand. Okay, remember we're in the key of E. That's if I didn't tell you, although it's specified in the video as well. So the next thing I did was I now played D, C sharp, and as I'm landing to that B on my right hand with my pointer here, I'm kind of playing the 3 on my left hand. Okay, so that's the chord there, which is G sharp, E, and F sharp, although it's on the screen as well. Okay, one more time. So that's it. Then the next movement is the 7-3-6 chord progression I did. So this is just something that is leading to the 7, okay? And 7, 3, 6. So what did I play? I played A sharp, A, G sharp, then on my right hand I'm playing a tritone, and that is the G tritone, which is G and C sharp. On my left hand I'm playing the 7, which is the D sharp there. Remember, we'll have to keep the key signatures ringing all day long. Okay, so that's why we're using the sharps rather than the flats. So that's the 7. So you kind of slide down for the 3. You slide down from this. So you're playing the 3 on your left hand, which is the G sharp and the D sharp. You're sliding down to the F sharp tritone. That's from the G tritone to the F sharp tritone. So that's F sharp and C. And you playing the 6 rather as a minor 11th chord. So this chord is C sharp minor 11th chord, which is C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. On my right hand I'm playing E, D, and F sharp. Okay, you can still add that D sharp there if you want to. That's on your right hand. Okay, so once again on the right hand it is E, B, C, D sharp right now there with my F sharp. Okay, that is I love this. Okay guys, so this is the application to the stuff. I'll play it over a song called Changed. So
I'll never be the same. He changed.